Caulking your kitchen sink, bathroom tiles, and windows is the secret sauce to keeping your home looking fresh and stopping leaks before they start. Alright, here's the deal. First, get rid of all the old caulk. Grab a utility knife or a caulk remover tool and scrape it off carefully so you don't mess up the surfaces. Next, clean the area really well with rubbing alcohol or a mild cleaner to get rid of grime and moisture, because caulk hates dirt and wet spots. When you're ready to apply new caulk, cut the nozzle at a 45-degree angle, and remember, less is more. Squeeze out just enough so you can smooth it before it skins over. Keep a wet rag nearby and dip your finger in it often to smooth the bead of caulk. It helps everything look neat and professional. If you're working around bathroom tiles or windows, use painter's tape along the edges to get those crisp lines without smudges. For corners and tricky spots, try smoothing with a plastic spoon or a caulk finishing tool if your finger can't reach well. Let the caulk cure fully, usually 24 hours, before getting it wet or painting over it. Different areas might need different caulks. Silicone for sinks and showers because it's waterproof, latex for windows since it's paintable and easier to work with. One of the biggest mistakes people make when learning caulking is skipping the removal of old caulk. If you don't get that all off, your new caulk won't stick right and could peel fast. Fix this by taking your time scraping and cleaning thoroughly. Another common issue is applying too much caulk at once. It dries unevenly and looks messy, so just squeeze out a small bead you can smooth quickly. Lastly, not smoothing the caulk properly leaves lumps and gaps that ruin the finish and let water sneak in. Always keep that wet rag handy and smooth gently with your finger or a tool until it looks even. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors for your home repairs super easy, so you don't have to stress about who to hire. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for your skills and get more work lined up.